Welcome back to Judy's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make a simple chicken curry. You're going to need some party wings, Thai eggplants, I have these cut and soaked in water, squash, kaffir leaves, onions, bamboo shoots, mushroom, red and yellow bell peppers, cilantro, green onions, carrots, ginger, minced garlic, Thai basils, red curry paste, and any brand of coconut milk. First thing you're going to do is you're going to cook your party wings by boiling them first. I always like to parboil my chicken wings to get rid of any impurities. I've also added some salt to my boiling water prior to adding my chicken wings. After parboiling my chicken wings, I am going to turn off the stove and use a hand strainer and strain out the chicken wings and set it aside. In a pan, I am going to heat some cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add the minced garlic, lemongrass, and ginger. You're going to fry these three ingredients together to release the aroma and the flavor. Then add the kaffir leaves and onions. After a quick stir, you're going to add the red curry paste. You can add more or less to your preference. You're going to stir fry these ingredients together and then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chicken powder. Then you're going to add a can of coconut milk. I have a 14-ounce can. After mixing the coconut milk with the red curry paste, you're going to add the bamboo shoot. Then I am going to add the cooked chicken into my pan. And also add about 2 cups of water. Then sprinkle some salt, black pepper, and white pepper. Then cover with a lid and let it simmer for a few minutes. After a few minutes of simmering, you're going to add the Thai eggplants and squash. After stirring and mixing these ingredients together, add some fish sauce . Let these ingredients cook for a few minutes, and then you're going to add the mushrooms. If you like a creamier curry, add another 14-ounce can of coconut milk. This step is optional. Taste the curry and make any adjustments that you may need, such as adding more fish sauce, sugar, or water. I am going to add about a teaspoon of sugar. I am going to add the basil stems into my curry. I like the smell of basil in my chicken curry. You do not have to add the basil stems if you do not want it. I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it simmer for a minute or two. After a few minutes of simmering, I'm going to add the red and yellow bell peppers and carrots. After cooking all these ingredients together, I'm going to add the Thai basil and a little sprinkle of salt. Then cover with a lid and let it simmer for a minute. After a minute of simmering, you're going to stir your curry. Then the last thing you want to do is turn off the stove and add the green onions and cilantro. So here is the finished recipe, a simple chicken wing curry. This simple chicken wing curry can be served with a side of white rice. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and thank you for watching. From Judy's Kitchen to yours. Enjoy.